sir. O minor bar. Esianado. O mani ya. Esianado. Metamasi. After yedi tie. Ojaye. Captain Smart. I do see for money. Thank you. What's that say? What's up, Okuni? Say, Boko. Captain will say any day about to. But Chayasa, Mammy House left to William. Pacha Hayadi. And Sana was so say your bone kumuno. They catch a penny for some more in Yajma. I don't make catch him say, you am by a D. No one tears yet. My one son was so. I really boss, sir. As I said, Ghana, you know. And again, I'm penny for sure. That's what I'm cool Ghana and Quada. Tie Boko. William said, in the history of Ghana, Yankuma police for Bebre says I'm ready, woman. Yankuma police for to send Coco and Coco. Boko. Many look at the check and say, Yanni media house be an yasam. Yanni be an yasam. When I want a microphone, over can crack, one caswa. Well, we are possible for a shot, and every Pocasha possible for your gender away. Quasha Mompabuase and Pabuasi in Agony. Correct. Trouble. Tie. Apostle for and again apostle for. What wanna do on Sika Papa? Then I shall want. What ginger hono? One bottom Sika and the other Papa there. What one Tomata there, Tom Papa. Now, come on, Doctor Baumia catch us. Nurses are suffering, doctors are, police officers are, military officers are, presenters are, Aquasis are nonsense. Trouble. Ansana. I'm a Penita Wallace. Every president of Ghana Hano. I catch Ghana for say. A man is saying over the year. Answer no, they would do what once one canary at Tanere. All right. Yet to claim Jakufabaye. Me, I miss it. Obedi Mampedi. Professor Kasim Kasanga. $14.5 million. Fako Kotol Bango Bra. Or the Mango Diatre. Yanyashi. Choboy. And a bedu ankrata. My brothers and sisters. Any man Professor Messi, me pass him there. Oh, yeah, you know what you come away with me. A bedu to Mahama so. And you will say, Ghana and confirm Our Ghana in our Burkina. Chaboy, as if say no ye enough. And another don't crack for the catcher, sir. Yet is he also so naso. Yet is he also naso. Yet is he also naso. Anna, say, or can't ask somebody near him, sir. Or the Ghana Police Service. Like a war boy, I hope I. They are who you say your possibly came to a certain pain. You call police in the year, no. And you become Ahmed Swally. Meboa. You come Ahmed Swally to Canada Japan to the radio station, sir. Or no, you come Ahmed Swally. Best in another Danko Akufado. Sanko do again and Mabruwa. So do again and Mabruwa. And go Africa de Japan beside the sir. Why in the Kum Ahmed Swally? Trouble. Yeah, no. As if I know enough. And I branch like Kaka. Esha see wejra. Na. Mrs. So Paul Boy no ho. Sa former IGP no. That's my baba nyama he. Otie. Na ya ma ya tro krata ma Kaka say ya won no. Ya hu de ya kum Kaka. As if I know enough. January saying amen. And then Omena Yatimuno. And Nabuno a common to ye. Doctors a come. Judges and so a come. A police for a come. IGP a what come called that Ghana post for. Okacho say, oh, ya kwa kwaba. Abaya to Makatiam. Mumramba Jimusika. And I'll got radio station so. The bomb Modiana Possi for so. Possi Libya Pescao. Possi for IGP, Nipa Bakupa to be a Ghana Possi for Makaton, sir. Moyan Quasia for Monsessa Mubenyasika. And Sebastian Namino Casay. Ghana Possi for a Genja, hey, what the come Nejra. No, I can't see, am I? What if I make a way to you know? What's your maya? What's your maya? Suku die time. Let's say Council of State. Any part 31 pay. But the $3.5 million got to come out. Oh, sir, Toby. First, Nana Kasa. I am not corrupt. I am another than Kaki Father. I am not corrupt. I didn't see an ultimate carrium. Why can't we say that again? I didn't see an ultimate carrium. We don't have leaders in this country. Those we call our leaders are our enemies. They don't like us. They hate us. They don't want us to succeed. Obichra me say. TSHS Yakwe Minister Ben and the Bakobi. But what the way you are grown as here? Yama want yes, sir. Or Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Shagana Yaseno. Opian Robert Class Ghana history. As our papa and one home Madia. And ya go to the papa ye. What did I catch on? I say, oh, papa and one home Madia. Man for your cocoa motives, yes, oh, papa. Or Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is the founder of this country. And we appreciate Kwame. Trouble. Ghana Central for Munche Mahanyedi. Munche. Bako. Menka when I see from the time Nusa. Ghana media and Yanka Samanchamo. Baby, I'm here, Makane. There's some Makana do Assam. It's been free. We want to tell them, sir, Yenara assassini, a bought and day my moja, Nanalu Shehu, too many was a do me, say, baby, a twasso, you be a twasso for Tokane, Anina, Samia. That's right, oh my. Yes, sir. Hey, yes, sir. God bless all of you. There's a new Ghana coming up. A new Ghana. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. New Ghana. Choboyi. Menka Biana.
No bad.
And I'm okay. Menka Biana. Oh, Menka Biana. When you're okay. And yeah, Monta Masudi. Mema Minia. What's up with Thierry? Now, so 1 9 years, say, on a dear, when you're what it's him, what you can run you come. Nemo Babua, maybe I will be a no boy fixe a your minor. Yeah, the animal on a background person, it's a brain in him. And so I did a question, you know, your teacher, Ethiopia, Batimsono. Teta, when you say your friend Oliver. Some of your friends are more essential. Oliver so from the Chabake home, and make sure, sir, face the country, you know, are coming to reality. Oliver, no whiny Oliver. That's a face yourself. But you can't face the country and say whiny Oliver. You can face the country and say whiny Oliver. You say face the country and say whiny Oliver. You say face the country for leaders. You say any leaders. You say more than more leaders, no. No. You say me what assembly me say me catch them. Me I be niba. Asante for the tell me. Buru for the tell me. Me about why the got TV. Me no. Na me girlfriend Fantini. Obada de Chayano, no, you was a me. Yaga for no, young for tribe and divided a hubium. Young for politics and divided a hubium. I come the so. I come also. Young Bizos and away the woman near Sana Comado. Young Bizos are near Sana Comado. It is Uncle Assembly Jai. Yaga Iran yet. It is a Siam, you think I do. Yakono, the Bifia, the Kokumasi. If you Kumasi, I got Tamale. If you wire the Sanko hole, if you wire Kota Grade, Obia baby, Obia the demonstrative. It was a young year. Now, Unim, Cezanne, obviously, our Fourth Republic. Now, first 1, 2, and 3, no. I saw your phone, I said, no. Yeah, no, Bebu, your voice. Fourth Republic, Yebeguno. Was Fourth Republic, Corruption Republic. Fourth Republic, 419 Republic. 419 Republic. Mr. Fourth Republic, Article 71 Republic. Yeah, baby. Second constitution in Yajai. New constitution for a new generation. New constitution for a new generation. Now, what in BB? More Mama and no. More China, more baby, more independence. It is a new independence, no. There's a new Ghana. It is a New Ghana, New Ghana, New Ghana, New Ghana, New Ghana, New Ghana. Thank you. Oh, send to Sema Oliver. Kwame Nkrumah say, 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 Kwame Nkrumah say. Last one, Kwame Nkrumah say, Mitchell, Kwame Nkrumah say, Kwame Nkrumah say, Chobai, Peja Salat Kosro. Now for you, man. May I say, my carry you make a bill, but I'm a tabby. Make a yana. Oh, say, I pay your costly. Maybe the kind of Modia Body, Okala body. I am no Okatachefu for Mensa. Bishop Bossa. If you never call, and young people some, and young this some, and young people some, and your place some, they more a gun and tea. Say a diet tea, I'm a gun a beer, or trade up on tracker. So a bitch, no baby. That's a director why day. And so person ko jisika friend people near this wa. Na nanu mukuno. O tede po tsaneka. Yari enye do mono. Ya so bossa. Efi na do ko. E badu no kure. Amo my Ghana. I'm a more four. I'm a more cankai. I'm from 1992. I'm a Diamayano. Ketuagu. I am Pasiamemo. 1992 Constitution. I am Pasia Constitution. After TI. Every 1948. Chabai. Now we can from that time the Bremen baby a free bar. It's young people near this Jimia near Shawmo. I remember history can be about 2 minutes. From 1948, Sergeant Ajate, Corporatipo, and a private of Daniel Lamte, Nico Brabani the third, Omadu Omonquato or my Ghana. Omaba Ombusase, idea system here, almost a colonial system. I'm saying Yabapurana, yes, Sanana, Yabakwana, and Omokoye. 1948 to 1951, 1950 to 1951. Kwame Nkrumah Baye, also said that. Only Joby Dankwa, and I got Kojemo, and then another Father Papa, Edward Kufado Mo, woman in Atrase, and Ombusa Mose, a dear system, almost a colonial system. Almost Yapana, yes, Sanana. Apadian Power Moko in 1957, African Antenna, Kwame Nkrumah president, 1960. Yabaya Republic. Kwame Nkrumah is severely accelerated development by Emuni enya ye can say tama motorway. In fact tia mumu bebere emuni msa tama motorway no. Na nya tama motorway nkwao. Ni afani the golden triangle. Eti kanfi elubo. Na obesina kwa apiawa. 2 lanes here, 2 lanes there. Na ka hupa unshaka etika ekumu nkofo enen over 5,000 every year no anka ekumu nkofo enye kwasiama mu etika fusa kona ko aye nofa and if 2 lanes here 2 lanes there I can't feel enough besina ko aye takwade elubwa 2 lanes here 2 lanes there ana ni papone fo ye fe ni kotoka enye omaya chimia omaya abodamu Ake wo global icon se kwa me nkoma. Ake oni monya force kwa me nkoma. Ake re kotuka batu airport na. Kare kotuka batu airport. Ada bia ye benya true leader bia no. International airport no ye batu no kwa me nkoma airport no kotuka. Choboyi. Afeti yi. Kotuka enemi ankasa me kwasi am kwa Afrifa. Ani jedo ankra. Omo buy no metu abai no yanka won se no mo free UGCC mu ana mo form a national liberation movement NLM anyeye omo tu abai gu ya no se national liberation council NLC afa no so anyeye 3 years omo we see a time kotoka ni je no anka kono no mka se kwa me nkoma ebo no wo mo bebo ne mo ani okotu abai 1970 Yade nanari lako esisi ne papa. Nanaro papa. Fellow Ghanaians, I'm talking. Listen to me. Fellow Ghanaians. Obo. Me amena na do no obo. Me na mena na do me penase papa obo. Obo. Afetie. Yade nanaro papa ne eye Dr. Kofi Abrefa Busi abaye. Kenya, everybody and this is Jimmy and Shomo. Kaloko Chomo in their face. Kofi Abrefa Busi abayano. Odi 2 years, 1972. Ana papa bi afa ni Ignatius Kutuo Champon, General Champon. Ono so baye, ana kuta wa pamu womo. Ese na memoni nkoyi. Choboy. Afa me show history ni tie. Aha. Utiana. Afe yedidimwa Ignatius Kutuo Champon. Already 7 years from 1972 to 78. And one palace school you too no. One kwa no military buy. One buy the baby buy say operation feed yourself. Say yakasi enya de bedi, na yakasi enya de bedia. Osi Dasuma Estate. Osi hospital si ho aye maternity ward. Emma about by koi. Eri pa pone force o mon toaso. Afeti Ignatius Kutuo Champon abai FWK Kufuotuno. And also on the May 15, 1979, a former President J.J. Rawlings Kaso Beyoku Amfa. June 4th, 1979, Anna Major Boachichai, and then Uncle 4 year coup, a coffee J.J. Free Prison, so my media anymore. Choboy. After a year, the more nearby, 1984, J.J. Rawlings, I remember Buga, Onimso. No cover be by economic reform policy, structural adjustment program. Now me catch as a J.J. Rawlings is the beginning and the end of the problems of this country. Choboy. I will be on one of J.J. Some chair me. That's a J.J. but we not have for pan and a kufa just why you're too for on Kanokure. Now in this country, and Kofobo say real government about I tell you what, Wama will call nobody. You better nobody near the General Court. Near Charlie Wamo again. Choboy. Chenye. J.J. Rawlings 1984 no call for IMF. What IMF. World Bank J.J. Rawlings na debe kuma. Okofa be a friend program of action to mitigate the social cost of adjustment. PAMSCAT. And by the forward omunim. Chenye. Choboy. Aha, and I see me be my dream. My car somewhere in Mekan Bio. The only reason to Ghana is a peaceful country is because because the people do not understand what is going on around them. Samunya tia samba bu mpanifo. Ana mpanifo no pasa matia sia etida bia onsu bempa akwasi akaka da bia asofo na jigazi akwasi akaka. Ana maadi akodi ho tia ye bia wani tia hana nyansa wo. Choboy afetiai. Jeje no le saba. Nana Kufuado Kufo 2000 ya to aba ya pamu jeje ofa so onko. Ana me ankasa papa eje aye. Je Kufo ba se positive change. Ye to ma we mu je Kufo hwe ya menkofo wi aye wanka ho hwe. Oba ye kwa nkofo no ma wi awe jeje penso oba ye ona ye wasemasa mo eye ye fro bibi presidential pardon. Made will be asa from 1982 APP and NDC omo botch askele game with us. Weba we kakra okwa no we kakra. What corruption. Brafuna wasumu prekese ayakoro. Yaka corruption de ayakoro. Afetiai choboy. Afe Kufo Bako, the same usual leadership. Bibia will be NC. Professor Melson and Uncle Nyan Kobayan so Yarienti, and also my brothers and sisters, Ejamoden Katanton anymore. They also said Binyani Papa the same one. When him saw Yari Jakuya to Anakoi. Anna Sophia and Tata Professor Mels Koi. Anna Jomama Baye. Jomama Baye issue the same usual leadership. Jomama Baye and Kufo Bako with Mitiamo. Your mama buy ye 3 million bus brand with me tiamo. Your mama buy ye dear a pebras with me tiamo. Your mama buy ye sabi on confirm to go back in with me tiamo. Choboy. When I am one yesterday. Yabra. Yamayana. Ana yenya papa bi. Yenya papa bi. Avetiai. What baby where is so? Ghanaians. I none other than Kokofado, the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, under the leadership of Nanado. Wayomi, intimacy my pencil. I suffer, intimacy my pencil. Also, I can say PDS as serious. And you say, Choboy. And you say, Yamfa to me, man, Nanado. Nanado, dear, yes, you no nonsense. Nanado, dear, one of your Basako. Nanado, dear, one conquest, yasam. Oh, bounce another Tabomiata and the top. It's in another Baba success tableau. Or the correct corruption, no? Naka about me, economic wizard. I can also say, after an hour to be doing ya, Choboy. After a year, Nanado said Japan deal on any Sabio, Nabusha Fonquan and Nimyansa. And they won't Nanado Abush and your appointment. Onya Nanado Adam for your appointment. I can't go. Yati was a Sabio, cover the breath. Nanado buy a woman, Bosia, about 170 billion Ghana City. Choboy. A free Kwame Nkoma Peso Bessin Nanado Peso. Omampeni Kufo de ko hepek tienie am ye de yeka eche odi aka ye no omampeni Kufo konie de ka 9.8 billion tienie ana Professor Mels be for free 9 no e de ko 32 billion Ghana cedi tienie eso ke tie ana jo mama tam free e 32 billion de ko 120 billion etika jo mama o hwebo in 4 years no Anko de be 90 billion aka ho bebo a ani enya Nana Dolbaya, Jamama Neta billion over Cambrafo, Amai, and your Yaman. Emma Mamma Bonnie and Coffo Bunti. That is the castle. Accommodate. Now, Meme Ba, or mine any here. Baba, about 170 billion. Choboy, Afetia, Bidisiquano. On Panning Phone say, Omu developing on my meboa. Now you're a developing nation. And a developing nation, be no sponsor of America and UK for meboa. Meboana. Etika said the UK for your coins and the air, dear meboa. I said, Omoya Omo hospitals and the air, dear meboa. I said, Omoya Omo Bibia Casania, dear. Now maybe say Yakwan is Sania Yana. Your hospitals and the Yana. Electricity Sania Yana. After a week of unity, on penning fund, why be the agro? Why, yes, I put a crime hour, a election year, so to Abamame, a young Quasiasem, Kwame Kuma, your motorway, a 50 years, after a motorway need to 2 years, no more day, a year be to miniature president, a year concrete. Omo Madamana, Afeti, Uko Fiano, Sadia, Avram Bemoshe, Ekano, again, Anyajuma. Professor Mills has set up a constitutional review commission. Article 71 a chrono a comfort or make a choice. I am Ranase, I'm Ranmona Mosate, and a Mamma Satamamo, and a Mamu Diasica, Mudiasica Mossi and Quasia for Yanutu, Yamaka Rotumana. After you will be a final constitutional review commission report. That is a country. Constitutional review commission report, no? Ghana problems in solution be 80 Professor Mason at the buyer. Jamama by Wafanya Juma. Akufa the buy also Fanya Juma. Usiame XYZ Saturday and Opabia. Mashasi Chira Constitutional Review Commission report no every Saturday morning. Netie me chiramu yaba bompa for. Oh no aye. As Graciano, aye ye, Yempabio. Massa more some ya, Yan some more some ya, yes, as Gracian Yamambio. A doctor for any be. Mokwana Mobina Pache. There is a new movement which is going to see a new Ghana. From here, we are going to Ayo Kumase, from Kumasi to Tamale, from Tamale to Takwade, Takwade to Ho, Naya. Yasaya, another one in Accra. Choboy. After the Quaquano said the Bayer, now Womonka say, you're indiscipline, you're indiscipline. You can't fix yourself. I said, what is that to fix? I said, Bombay, they won't fix it. No moment to V8 him. It's the problem like I said, who made that fix it? Yabramo, and then Quasiasem. Yado Bibia, Kwame Shrobibia, Bako. Okay, you are artists or you fix the country and you know you find a typical. Choboy, Afetia. Choboy. Unim Ragosembi. Mosha Black Star no. Kaka tofom. Yempenyu fone jimia. What do you want to ask you? What enemies? Religious leaders will. We wicked. And your religion in America was him. And cafe is the country, and was sanka so for any imam ni sheikh for the Mujim. What imam biwa? Ebedu abatwa. No more say money and cheer, no more the Akosongo. No more the Akoma sheikh for the imam for no more, no more re. No more gather zongo youth to say, more concotuaba. Why would you want to get Jenapo? Damango, Jenapodi and Mudu Hope, no Massa. Only with Jimmy, what's the uncle? Akumsen, S.Y. or the command piano for no more says and near beer, and ya moo and ya paddy. The Empress and catch them and say, oh, my Ghana, ya, eh, my yana. All about the Isika $200 million. ADC Cathedral. Oh, pa, we crowd there. We are so for we so bufu. Because as a church members in this country want to make to connection. Do you know what $1 million can do? Baku $200 million. Oh dear, obviously Cathedral Nekurano and Concosi or Ewuremwa or Bebu Part Post Office. Now we bu judges a dying, now we're fixing us all dying. Sabia ni and solid baby or ya bacones. Mama Yajuma, Nayan, ya catch them in and say, Ghana ye ya, eh, my yana. Ye leaders no, ye leaders no, you didn't win no. Say, ye unite here, ye be filimo. Ye free alcohol leaders no, ye be united. I cut 3 years. So I'm paying another ebetie as soon as ye, Nanado, you're so like you. Nanado, or your lucky charm and paying the beer. What do you didn't hear? Yamau 4 years. After 4 years, no, and I'll baba pie chow. And I yes, mouth 4 count. Yamau 4 nepana, ya catch or say, fix a man, fix it. Messy, yam paying you for years since here, and let I can say, come and paying another bar. No, near Becassa. I'll send another bar Becassa, Ghana youth. Name person most solid, Name Buamo, and Tianamo bar. Me yamu papa, mini yama bar. Mon come problem, Name Savo, Obiencia. Alfei, Ghana celebrities no. Ghana celebrities no. Obientie, me SM fan. Yenchi obia, but yes, omunye ya ho kakra. Me say ene sanka shatawale bai, sanka stone boy e bai, sanka sakode e bai, sanka samini e bai ya, anka beye massive. Omo didi amen, omo nye ho. Enti represent the announcement. We are Bekwa. And would be a Behubiano. Young leaders, they say, you're fixed. Would be Behubian, yes, sir. And yeah, Mama on media for Conconsa for not the CH. Abba Bekaka say, face the country for no moon. Message your map, Bianian. Yeah, celebrate singing. I say, okay, and your question. Yana, you steam your money. Hey, Juma Bay. Aden. Omunye ye ho kakra. Ye kan say obi akofie no, obi ama na adwenya adwuma. Celebrate awonwe Ghana wono. Osoma enwe na ho. Ti adamu nyina Ghana wo Chobai. Why? My voice I lose so why? But the person before I dey fear no, the person mutie nyom ni yie. O ma ga so mu tire no mu tin na. O ma sorry affix o ma no me bo a. O na me ka no mutie nyom na e ba be bo no. DJ. Friday. Mutie one time again. One confidence. We not comfy fight nobody. We just are comfy sick. And it's all about and me say we not comfy this. Fight nobody. We just are comfy sick.
I was for yeah, live coverage, you know. And yeah, demo ABC. Yeah, sound challenges, baby. Wana public address system, no. Echo na Wana Aba Mumfa and Che on that. Hey, Wademaya. Wademaya is here. Enti Yadimobesi na Yadamase. A free anopano. Ya cover Ghana Mabunu and Samoa. Womu wo ekachre Ghana empanimfo ama ninyina no akoye ensemwa ejidi sese panimfo hwe na womu eya ebeboa ama Ghana atumi akọ nanim yadamase for watching this Wademaya, how are you?
Kofi, I'm fine. Oh, what's up?
I saw what I did. I fetch Ghana the no. All right. Eti Wademaya and ono say oba fix the country ni bia okono. Yadamase. Enti I was for yemfa mo ensia na yenamase pi for joining us. What thanks Kofi for good job. Yadamase. Ya cover from Anopa. Ghana for complaints nyina ya gini nyina. Eunice Aka say fake Kofi TV. Eunice una ye fake fi say oye boni aye. Beberebe aye ni nyina no. If one naya say that is your statement, that is a fake life. Yeah, that's it. What's it go for you lie? The sound, immediate here. Oh, tete ko here na sha say nyina the sound. No, we had a challenge, and that is that. Was say master stop that. Immediate here. Isaac Odwe enwade ebaye. Immediate here. There hini. Thanks Kofi TV. That's Asamoah Pratt. Was it Kofi? Interview Captain Avram Akatachi. Unfortunately, one more echo. And was it Kofi? You are lying. Deliberately muted the sound on some parts of the speech. Yeah, muted sound to be our oral stage. You know, so you realize at the point won't say na woman can say no more Chayama sound of phono. I fix it. Or you want me to speak to sound of phono Ankasa? Let me go and speak to sound of phono, and then let them tell you what the challenge was. Okay. Nipano na who say omo ekono. For sound of one mame. For sound of one mame na mene womo enkasa. The only part that I personally muted at the pointer na smart kase adia enam so ma whatever happened. Yabani cover. That was the only part I personally make of Yadman and mute here because I felt insulted. Say Smart, we are not covering it live. We were covering it live. We were giving mileage. So you don't use our same medium to chastise us. So I personally muted it. That part, apart from that, all the statements we picked. And Sembia Okan API we picked. Asembia Obia Kan API we picked it. Smart was not streaming the live. So if he wanted people to watch it, he would have streamed it. We decided to stream for people to watch. And so if we are streaming for you to watch, and you used our same medium to chastise us, I have every right to mute that part. Or her video, so there is no advert on it. Moya said we are catching it on it. Or when we are doing Kofi TV, don't we put adverts on it? If it is for advert purpose, we would have put in adverts on this video. Yamfa advert bakokra antoso. So if we are projecting what we feel, say Ghana Mabunu nyina asem, and we are projecting it, and you want to use that same medium, Charlie, stop. Sometimes I was not from a phone.